To find the shortest path from A to I, so if you look at the graph, it's an undirected graph, so it can go forward or backward, but in this case we have to start from A to I, which is from left to right. So if you look at from A to B, right, you have two possibilities. From A to B you have 10 here, or you can from A to E and then E to B, which comes to a total of 13, right? And in this case I'll go for 10 because it's the shortest one. As for A to E, you have two alternatives, either A to E, which is 14 here, or from AB to E, which is 13. And then we're from A to F, you have two alternatives, either it's from AEF, which is 25, which is 25 here, or AF alone, which is 15. So if you look at the root here, the shortest is basically 10, 13, and then the other one is 15. Right, then we proceed. So from A to C, so I'll start from AB to C. Here it will be 26, and then from A to C, from other roots, is either 13 plus 10, which is 23. Another alternatives, it's from here I'm going to G. G is 13 plus 15, it will be 28. And for to another G, the alternative is AFG here, which is 15 plus 17, it will be 32. And let's look at H here. I have 15 plus 20, which is 35. Right, if I go by this, I can go from G to H as well. And if you look at the root here, it is 28. 28 plus 11, that will be way a bit more than 35. So in this case, it will be 39. So definitely that is not what we wanted. If we come to this level, the smallest number, again I underline. So this one here, it will be the smallest. Right, then with the same process, I proceed. Right, to go to D, I can have 23 plus 14, which is 37. Or I can go to D by E, which is 13 plus 12, it's only 25. And I have from G to D, I have 28 smallest plus 5, I have 33. As for G towards I have 28 plus 11, which is 39. As for this one here, if you look at D, which one is will be the smallest, is in this case 25. 25 plus 13, it will be 38. And as for this part here, 35 plus 14, 30, 40, 49. So from A to I, we are choosing the shortest path. And if you look at all the comparison here, it will be 38. So the answer here will be 38, right? So the shortest path from A to I will be 38. And you have to check whether there is a unit. If there is, you have to put it in.